Ever chatted with a virtual assistant or received lightning-fast replies from a chatbot? That's the magic of natural language processing, or NLP. It's the technology that helps machines understand and respond to human language. Imagine AI sifting through mountains of text in seconds, pulling out insights that would take us hours. From making our lives easier with smart home devices to enhancing customer service, NLP is revolutionizing our daily interactions with technology. It's not just about convenience. It's about transforming how we communicate and work. NLP is revolutionizing the finance industry in incredible ways. Imagine automated document processing that saves hours of manual work. NLP can analyze contracts and reports in seconds, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. It's also a game changer for fraud detection. By analyzing transaction patterns, NLP can spot anomalies that humans might miss, protecting our finances. With these advancements, financial decision-making is not just faster, but smarter. The impact of NLP in finance is profound.
The finance industry is a powerhouse of information, generating a staggering amount of documents every day: loan agreements, invoices, contracts, and reports. Yet, the traditional approach to processing these documents is often slow and riddled with errors. This is where natural language processing, or NLP, steps in to revolutionize the game. Imagine being able to automate the handling of financial documents, drastically improving speed, accuracy, and efficiency. The first crucial step in this process is data extraction from unstructured sources like PDFs, scanned documents, and emails. These formats can be a nightmare for manual processing, but NLP can seamlessly convert this chaos into structured data. Let's break it down. One of the foundational techniques in NLP is tokenization, which involves splitting text into sentences and words. Tools like NLTK and Spacey make this task straightforward, allowing us to dissect complex documents into manageable pieces. Once we have our text tokenized, we can dive deeper with named entity recognition, or NER. This is where we extract key financial entities, amounts, dates, company names, and contract terms, transforming raw text into actionable insights. Next up is keyword extraction, using methods like TF-IDF. This technique helps us identify the most important financial terms within a document. Think of terms like interest rate or due date. These keywords are essential for understanding the document's context and significance. Now, let's talk about classification. NLP can categorize financial documents based on their content and key terms. For instance, if a document contains phrases like loan agreement or interest rate, we can confidently classify it as a loan document. Similarly, if we see invoice, due date, and payment terms, we know it's an invoice. This rule-based matching, facilitated by tools like Spacey, allows for quick and accurate document classification. Once these documents are categorized, NLP goes a step further by extracting key data fields, automating financial workflows. For loan agreements, we can pull out vital information such as the borrower's name, loan amount, interest rate, and payment terms. For invoices, we can extract vendor details, total amounts, and due dates. This level of automation not only saves time, but also significantly reduces human errors, which can be costly in the finance sector. With NLP-powered financial document processing, businesses are not just keeping up, they're setting the pace for the future of finance. By automating compliance and streamlining workflows,
AI is revolutionizing healthcare in incredible ways. Imagine chatting with a virtual assistant that understands your symptoms and guides you to the right care. With natural language processing, we can analyze patient data to predict diseases before they even develop. AI,
where the chaos of paperwork and patient records is replaced by seamless communication and efficiency. This is the transformative power of natural language processing, or NLP, in healthcare. It's not just a buzzword. It's a game changer for doctors and patients alike. Let's start with AI assistants. Picture a doctor overwhelmed with patient data and treatment plans. With NLP-powered AI assistants, they can quickly access relevant information, analyze patient histories, and even receive real-time recommendations. This technology employs named entity recognition to sift through vast amounts of data, identifying critical information like symptoms, medications, and allergies. It's like having a knowledgeable partner by their side, ensuring that no detail is overlooked. Now consider disease prediction. NLP can analyze unstructured data from medical records, research papers, and even social media to identify patterns that might indicate emerging health trends. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, healthcare providers can predict outbreaks or diagnose conditions earlier, than ever before. This proactive approach not only saves lives, but also reduces the burden on healthcare systems. Chatbots are another fascinating application of NLP. Imagine a patient with a simple question about their medication or appointment. Instead of waiting on hold for a human operator, they can interact with a chatbot that understands their queries through sentiment analysis. This technology allows the chatbot to gauge the emotional tone of the patient's message, providing responses that are not only accurate, but also empathetic. It's a way to enhance patient engagement and satisfaction while freeing up valuable time for healthcare professionals. Medical transcription is another area where NLP shines. Traditionally, doctors spend hours documenting patient visits, which can lead to burnout and inefficiency. With automatic speech recognition, doctors can dictate their notes, and NLP algorithms can transcribe them into structured data. This not only speeds up the documentation process, but also improves accuracy, ensuring that vital information is captured without the risk of human error. Looking ahead, the future of NLP in healthcare is incredibly promising. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated applications that will further enhance patient care. Imagine personalized treatment plans generated by analyzing a patient's unique genetic makeup alongside their medical history, all facilitated by NLP. The potential for improving health outcomes is immense. In conclusion, the integration of NLP in healthcare is not just about technology. It's about creating a more efficient, accessible,
NLP is
and compassionate
revolutionizing
healthcare
disease
system.
prediction
By
and early
harnessing the power of
diagnosis
AI,
by
we
analyzing
are paving
vast
the
amounts
way
of
for a
data from
future where
electronic health
doctors can
records,
focus more on
clinical
patient
notes,
care
and
and
even
less on
patient
administrative
conversations.
tasks.
It
The
starts
journey
with
of NLP in
tokenization,
healthcare
breaking down
has just
text into
begun,
manageable
and
pieces,
its impact
followed by named entity recognition to pinpoint symptoms and medications. Cleaning the data involves removing stop words and lemmatization, ensuring accuracy. But it doesn't stop there. NLP dives deeper with sentiment analysis, revealing emotional tones in patient feedback, which is crucial for mental health insights. By training on past medical cases and lab reports, NLP-powered AI can scan patient histories, identifying risk factors like chest pain and high blood pressure to predict conditions such as heart disease. This technology is not just smart,
NLP is
it's
transforming
a game changer
education
in healthcare.
in incredible ways. Imagine AI-powered tools that can grade essays in seconds, providing personalized feedback tailored to each student's needs. This technology not only saves teachers time, but also helps students understand their strengths and areas for improvement. Picture interactive learning experiences where AI tutors adapt to individual learning styles, making complex subjects easier to grasp. With NLP, we're not just teaching automated facts, essay grading, we're shaping critical thinkers and life is revolutionizing the way we assess student writing. Imagine a world where essays are graded not just quickly, but also fairly and consistently. That's where natural language processing, or NLP, comes into play. The first step in this process is data collection and pre-processing. This involves gathering a vast array of essays, which are then cleaned and prepared for analysis. Think of it as getting all the ingredients ready before you start cooking. You wouldn't want any spoiled items in your dish, right? Next comes feature extraction and text analysis. Here, we break down the essays into measurable components. We look at things like word choice, sentence structure, and even grammar. It's like dissecting a frog in biology class. Only instead of a frog, we're examining the nuances of language. Then we dive into semantic analysis and understanding context. This is where NLP really shines. It's not just about the words on the page. It's about what those words mean in context. AEG systems analyze the intent behind the writing, capturing the essence of the argument or narrative. This step is crucial because it helps ensure that the grading reflects the student's understanding and creativity, not just their ability to follow rules. Now let's talk about the machine learning model for scoring. This is where the magic happens. Using algorithms, these models learn from the data we've collected, identifying patterns and correlations that help determine a score. The more essays the model analyzes, the better it gets at understanding what constitutes a high-quality piece of writing. It's like training for a marathon. The more you practice, the better you become. One of the most exciting aspects of AEG is the instant feedback it provides. Students can receive scores and comments almost immediately, allowing them to learn and improve in real time. This is a game changer in education, as it encourages a growth mindset and helps students refine their writing skills more effectively. Moreover, AEG offers objective scoring. Unlike human graders who may have biases or inconsistencies, NLP-driven systems evaluate essays based on defined criteria. This leads to fairer assessments and ensures that every student is judged on the same scale. Finally, let's not overlook the efficiency of automated grading. Teachers often juggle numerous responsibilities, and grading can be incredibly time-consuming. AEG alleviates some of that burden, allowing educators to focus more on teaching and less on paperwork. In summary, the integration of NLP in education, particularly through automated essay grading, is paving the way for a more efficient, fair, and effective assessment process. It's not just about grading essays. It's about enhancing the learning experience for students in automated